Hello, this is Sherry from BVS Group. Today I would like to introduce our 23.8-inch touch kiosk for you. It has 23.8-inch screen size and it supports Windows operating system. This is Core i5 4th generation CPU. 8 GB RAM and 128 GB SSD. It supports printer and NFC barcode scanner optional.
We package this top part and the bottom part separated. So when you receive it, you need to install this screen on this part. And here, when you need to turn off the line, you can just pull it out. And when you need to turn on, 这儿吗？怎么感觉？其他的亮了吗？
If you're interested in this product, please don't hesitate to contact me.